Scott Seekins, a visual icon. The question is, what is art? I am art. I am the walking, living installation piece. And the walking gallery, the books that I carry, are an extension of that idea. To me, the image is everything. The idea that I consistently the same becomes an art piece. The self-portrait show came about very fast. And the idea was for artists to submit pictures they did of me, and all the submissions would be accepted. No panels, no rejection, no clicks. Some of the pieces obviously might not be ones I like, but they had to be put up if they came in. And then it was filled out with some of my things. Snake hunting is a lot like trying to find something exotic or mushrooms or something. A lot of hit and miss. So it's a lot of traveling, observing, stopping, nothing happening, continuing to a new spot, looking. Each type of snake lives in different terrain, really. And so certain ones will be in the swampy areas, certain ones on the bluffs, certain ones in the fields. It just depends. And you know kind of where they'll be, but there's no guarantees. A young western hognose snake, about 2 years old, beautifully patterned, with the brown, chocolate brown blotches and on a tannish brown upside, and the reverse is black. Scales underneath, and the turned up nose. For being so close to the metro area, the Lake Pepin area is like a treasure, like a living postcard. I think the idea of going out into nature, looking for the serpents, as well as like trout fishing and hiking, is a therapeutic state or adventure for one to relax and emotionally wind down from whatever's happening in their lives. So it's like going back in a time warp, climbing the hills, looking at the beautiful bluffs, and the foliage and the trees in the distance. A very unique experience for being so close to Minneapolis. Well, for most people, the snake is an evil, kind of slithery, slimy creature that is looked down on in comparison, let's say, to a kitten. But these are all creatures of the earth, not just the cute furry ones, but the snakes and lizards are also part of the whole ecosystem and are important.